plus high quality topical map. Now I will record a lecture in the sequence wise. It will be the same series as Corey explained. So mostly people like in the Asia region, they find it very difficult to get the concept, the terminology. So I will be explaining the same thing with a real example, like my previous topical map, what are their like shortcomings, which thing we have missed, which thing in future we improved. So it will be all the practical thing with explanation, and I will explaining it in the simple way. So I will use little terminology which is in the which every person should know that in the normal SEO. So to understand better, because Corey also focus in the lecture that these things are these things in normal. So we will go with a normal terminology to understand the concept and everything. So this is the first series and first lecture in which I will just give you a very brief thing about what is topical map and what is topical authority and how the layout. Because I have seen from last 1 year, mostly people didn't even follow the same pattern as correlations because they don't have the sheet and other thing. So the still like 80% people are confused on the thing like their layout. So today I will also explain the layout, the basic concept. Then in the next series, all things will be explained with a practical example, like how to make a content brief, how to do a research. Even people are like stuck at the research work because per single content brief or you can say a node take 3 to 4 hours. So people just use ChatGPT and generate. So it is not the way, because this complete semantic topical map is about research. I have also shown in my previous post that this is a research work. So here I will be explaining as per the basic concept, what is topical map and semantic content network and content brief and topical authority. So if we came to just this simple term, so basically if I told you topical map, I will be relating into the like our main SEO, which is called traditional SEO. So you can understand it better. If I just go with a different terminology, so again you will be confused. So just topical map is a thing we already do in our traditional SEO. But what it changed, like well structure, a well researched thing. Before in the what we do for a topical map, we didn't go for topical map. We just make a website and without structure, we are posting topic and these things. So that was. Now what changed in the semantic, that in a topical map, just I will give you just these two words, like topical map is a well-structured content and it is interconnected topic. Like if you go for some website, here I will go you the practical example. Like this is a service website example, like one of my client from USA creating a service website about CFO servicing. Like here I have already shown you. So CFO. So CFO is the Chief Financial Officer. It is the abbreviation you can search on the Google. So for these, I have to do these things like well-structured content. So I will be researching all the things on CFO, like and the interconnected topic. So how interconnected topic? I will see everything which is relevant to my like main topic, which is given by my client or my main theme is CFO. So for these you have to do research. So a well-structured and interconnected topic plus relevant. All the things should be in the topical are about relevancy. So if all the things are relevant, then is my complete topical map. So this is just a simple brief and the simple example. So relevancy and these all things. So here you can also let me show you, like, see, if I search CFO, so you can see the interconnected topic, like CFO meaning, this is the search term. So I will be explaining what is the meaning of CFO, what are the things and everything. So see, these by down, these are all relevant, like services, their salary, their job. So this is your base token from where you can start researching. So see, CFO meaning salary, what they do, how. So this is the example just I have given like you here, like well-structured interconnected topic. So this is all about your website. You have to create a topical map about your website, and it should be relevant. So in the CFO, I cannot give an example of some other services, like cannot explain the topic which is a virtual assistant or something other, because it is not relevant. So I will, it should be relevant to all my topical map. So this is the just topical map. And so the next thing came Semantic Content Network. Okay, in Topical Map, like I will give you also the layout example, which mostly people didn't show. So here you can see these are my topic, and these are very like at the start of Topical Map, which I created a year ago. So it is also some drawback and something which I will also explain. So I'm not like that to hide something or some. So I will show you, so you can also don't do these mistakes and improve. It is also, I have checked in from top like semantic people. So I got very good score on that topical map. But after researching, I consulting top semantic people, then with discussion in cohort, so something to more improve. So that I will also. So this is the layout. Like you can see in the main, people don't show the volume, but we show volume. So you have to improve also the thing, because everyone cannot understand the thing. So you have to read out. So if you see the topic keyword volume, so you should know that which is a quality node and how much I should cover it or not. So we also provide the total volume of each topic which we have. So this is the layout, like here I will explain. So here basically at the top I have placed my core section. So little I will also brief you about core section. Core section are those which is your main source content, like your website main theme, like you are providing services or you are just providing info. So that all is related to your core section. Other you can see my post there, complete definition you can understand. So I am explaining just a simple word. So then core section, and the other second important is outer section. In the outer section, you have to discuss the thing to your core section. So this is like the layout, like you topics which are your main complete website, and this is the title tag which is SEO, you can say SEO title. So here are the main website URLs like your root domain, then the second. So here you can also analyze the crawl, how much it is crawl depth and everything. So to take it minimize. So here are image URL, then image are annotated text. So these are provided to regional. So this is just the layout, and then these are interconnected to the content brief, like a simple note. So if I, so fractional CFO service, so I will click it. So this sheet will be open. One of the fractional CFO services sheet will be open. So this is just one content brief or document, you can say it. Like you can even say in the simple, let me show you. So in simple terminology, you can even call it the article. So these are the thing. So here you can see these are hierarchy, like fractional CFO. So these are services pages. So here the layout will be services as per pages and layout. So here you can see H1 was described and semantic connectivity, everything. So this is article methodology explain that what should be written in these heading, what you should write in these heading, like you have to provide the niche, the definition in these things. So here are some query term also provided to cover in the like your topic. And after that, we have also go for very deep topical map. Here, I will give you the latest example of some topical map that how we do more research and more content brief. So this is the latest one for one of the client I am making, and it is very competitive niche. So some related to car. So I will also explaining this one. So here is just this first session is about the concept explaining. So then semantic content network is a collection of the content brief which explain the macro and micro context. So it is like your complete document, article, content brief. These are the same thing. So in these, because on each topic you have to make a one node, one content brief. So for this is semantic content network, a collection of the all your content briefs. Third thing, like topical authority. So these are relevant to these. Topical authority is the thing I will explain in the simple term, like my website when achieve a topical authority. So it means I have covered each and everything. So topical authority in the other sense, your website ranking in the top 1, 2, 3. So you achieved a topical authority. So it is the thing like how you achieve topical authority by these things, topical map. Like when you do the well-structured content interconnected topic, you make a topical map, implement it, and you get a topical authority. So this is the simple explanation. Why you achieve topical authority? Because you do all the research and in Google Eyes, you are now an authority. On what basis? On these above basis. So in this complete core framework of semantic SEO, basically we discuss something which is relevant to like three things. Also core, also like shows. Let me give an example. Like Core already told us that in complete semantic we consider three things: user behavior, and query semantic. So in these complete things are on these dependent complete topical map. So user and query semantic. The important thing also Core explain, these query semantic come from user behavior. So this is the important thing to understand why the GPT and the other tool really don't like completely work. Because you have to search for real queries which come from user, not some like generated or some thing. So this complete topical map will be on the user intent, like user behavior. So we have to go for this. So how to check the user behavior? You have a tool like see here when I search CFO keyword. So CFO meaning this query is due to your user behavior. People are searching for the meaning of the CFO. People are searching for, so this, what it is called, it is also top attribute of the CFO. Like CFO salary, their salary is the top attribute. So complete topical map depend on the entity plus attribute pair that all people are know. So how you can know about the top attribute? These are the tool, and go to like Google search result, you will see. So here just I have search CFO. So see the meaning, CFO salary, CFO job, they are their top attribute. And these are user behavior. So people are searching what is a CFO. So there, what does a CFO? Maybe you find here that type of query which you said this is like wrong. like the spelling is wrong, but it is a query search, a user behavior. So you have to see in that perspective. Like the one good thing, like explained by Corey there, complete Google is about user, like user. What people search about, like topic, entity, then the query term, then that query is provided by in the document form to user by Google. So this is, you have to make a relation. So here you can see people are searching these things. So these are all query terms. So this is how you do the user behavior query. And also Puri mentioned here, like very important concept which explain that query semantic didn't come from dictionary. Like dictionary, maybe some the definition will be different, but the query semantic in search engine term, it came from user behavior. So you always have to keep user behavior at the top of the thing. So this is the first lecture. In the second, I will explain the clustering and other main concept with an example.